Introduction: Why programming languages matter.
Choosing the right programming language can greatly impact your chances of landing a job at big tech companies. Giants like Google, Amazon, and Microsoft often look for candidates skilled in certain languages. Knowing which languages are in demand can help you tailor your learning and stand out during the hiring process.
Python, the versatile favorite.
Python is highly valued for its versatility and ease of use. It is widely used at companies like Google for back-end development, data analysis, AI, and automation. Python's readable syntax and extensive libraries make it a go-to for both beginners and experienced engineers, and it's often included in coding interviews.
Java, enterprise-ready and robust.
Java remains a cornerstone language at many large tech companies. Amazon and Microsoft use Java for building scalable back-end systems. Its object-oriented features, reliability, and performance make it ideal for cloud services, web applications, and Android development. Java's presence in technical interviews is still strong across the industry.
C++, power and performance.
C++ is favored for high-performance systems and complex software. Both Microsoft and Google use C++ to build core components of their products, such as browsers, databases, and search engines. Mastery of C++ demonstrates strong technical skills and the ability to work on challenging engineering problems.
JavaScript, the web and beyond.
JavaScript is essential for front-end and increasingly for full-stack development. Big companies rely on JavaScript and its frameworks to build interactive web applications. Skills in JavaScript, along with tools like React or Angular, open doors to roles focused on user interfaces and cloud-powered web solutions.
Conclusion: building your skill set.
Learning one or more of these key languages can boost your job prospects at top tech companies. While company preferences can vary, Python, Java, C++, and JavaScript consistently appear in job listings and interviews. Focus on mastering one, then broaden your expertise to stay competitive and adaptable in the tech industry.